This section we're on 7.4, the forefoot motion grind. So this is how you would think in opposition to the rear foot motion grind up here. This one, the angle that you choose will be what it gets taken off the medial side by default, the medial side of the forefoot. So this is where you want, as the patient loads at the rear foot, goes through mid stance, and then as they load to the forefoot, there's a ground area at the front medial side of the forefoot to allow an internal rotation or a pronation moment to go through. You can put it on the lateral side, but pretty much the standard across the board is on the medial side. But again, if you want to change those, you can, and have the power of ultimate variation that we have with 3D printing. Okay, I'll see you at section 8.